Mauro Icardi is one of the most in-demand strikers in world football at the moment, but it seems as though his place at the World Cup is under serious threat. The Inter Milan skipper has attracted interest from several European giants such as Manchester United and Real Madrid following his excellent form for the Nerazzurri, which has seen him score 18 goals in 22 Serie A appearances this season. However, Fox Sports in South America say that Icardi won't be part of the traveling party for the showpiece in Russia. The 25-year-old was constantly overlooked by the likes of Alejandro Sabella, Tata Martino and Edgardo Baza, but was brought back into the fold by current boss Jorge Sampaoli in May 2017, 3 years after his first call-up. Icardi has been capped 4 times by the La Albiceleste, but it doesn't look he will be representing his country at the World Cup, with the reasons apparently being his lack of form in the national team and his poor relationship with some of the players. Weirdly though, despite how talented a player Icardi is, you get the feeling that Argentina, with all the attacking quality they have, can afford to leave him out. Paulo Dybala, Gonzalo Higuain, Sergio Aguero, Christian Pavón and Lautaro Martinez are all options for the forward positions, while they also have a fella called Lionel Messi who is also pretty handy with the ball at his feet.